Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are going to know the key difference between React.js and React Native. So React.js is a JavaScript library we are using for creating and building the web application. So React Native is a mobile framework we are using for the creating the mobile application. So this is the React.js and we are using for the web application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And this is the React Native we are using for the mobile application. We are using for creating the mobile application for the Android and iOS. So this is the key feature of the React.js. Like everything you can see in the React.js, it's a component base. So this is the key feature of the React.js. So React is also have the component based architecture and declarative programming in virtual DOM. If you want to run your React.js application, you need the web browser. So this is the React Native framework. So React Native framework is using for the mobile application, and we in one place we are coding that code convert to the Android and iOS both. So this is the key feature of the React Native component based architecture. So if you've seen the button in React Native, it's also a button in the native iOS and Android. So this is the key difference between the React.js and React Native. So React.js is a JavaScript library and React Native is a mobile framework. So also in React Native, we are using the React. So these are the key feature of the React Native and React.js. So hope you like this video.